So you're thinking about moving to Dallas and you want a new construction home, but you don't want to wait a year for the home to be built? Well, I got some news for you. There are some new construction homes and there are some homes in the city of Dallas, so you don't have to deal with that traffic getting in and out of the city. By the way, my name is Ashley. I am a realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home, make sure you give me a call. I'll leave my information below. So today I'm going to walk you guys through this beautiful home, brand new construction, right in the center of Dallas, not too far from the airport. And I'm going to show you the neighborhood just so you can see that things are rapidly changing. Like, these old neighborhoods are being converted into $1 million homes and they're absolutely stunning. So without further ado, let's get into it.
So as you can tell, there's a combination of brand new construction and older homes. So this is a great investment opportunity, whether you're looking to tear down or buy one that is perfectly ready to go, which will go up in value. So this listing is courtesy of Our King Realty. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with almost 3,200 square feet of living space.
Excuse the noise, someone's mowing the lawn outside. So just walking in, you see this beautiful staircase. Nice entryway, foyer with the tall ceilings, but that's nothing compared to what we're about to see. Okay, so here's the half bath downstairs. Through here you can see the backyard, which is pretty small, but what's not small, lots of glass. Okay, what is not small is, let me show you, but not yet. Let's check out this laundry space right here. So your hookups are down here. And now, check this out. These ceilings are just, wow, breathtaking. And this kitchen, the way it's staged is beautiful. The LED lighting under and on top of the cabinetry is just really pretty. Marble all the way around. Got this waterfall edge. Frigidaire appliances, which are not cheap. Beautiful, beautiful. They definitely went with the more expensive finishes in this home, you can tell for sure. Real hardwood flooring, and it smells so good in here. Brand new construction. Gorgeous open floor plan, glass all the way around. So you definitely have to love this all glass look. If you're looking at a property like this. Let's check out the main bedroom. So super spacious, opens up to the backyard. As you can see, there's a new construction property being built right next door. I think this home is definitely gonna go pretty quickly. Beautiful, continuing that same marble as we had in the kitchen. Double vanity sinks. Large Miami style shower, just a divider rainfall shower head, huge bathtub, and custom closet. Plenty of space in here, lots of shelving. Right, so let's walk through here. Yeah. Thank you. Also, there is a sink outside. You can do so much with this space. let's take the floating stairs to see the second floor. And here is where we will find the other 3.5 bedrooms. Sorry, the other 3 bedrooms are going to be located up here on this floor. So this is not the main bedroom, however, we do have a nice balcony out here. Oh, it's so pretty out today. So as you can see, we have new construction next to older homes. These will definitely be torn down. Just wait. The next few years, everything's going to be built. There's an empty lot right there next to that older home. All right. Once again, another huge, spacious shower and tub. Double sinks right here. And a decent size closet. So you know what? I'll go ahead and say it's almost 2 masters or 2 main bedrooms in this home. Lots of glass. You gotta really love glass and natural lighting for a space like this. So here's a full bedroom. Shared bathroom. Very modern. Got the violet lighting underneath. LED, very modern. Another bedroom. Walk-in closet. And right here is a wraparound balcony. So this is really cool. So this leads to the other part of the house. There's a lot you can do in this space right here. This could be like another sitting area. Got ceiling fans in every room, which you definitely need in a space like this because of the amount of natural light that you're getting. Oh, almost got lost.